What if your kitchen feels overwhelming, not because of cooking, but because of everything around it? Most kitchens are not inefficient. They are overloaded. Tom had one drawer that barely opened, packed with everything. One day he emptied it, kept only what he used, and suddenly everything felt easier. Friction creates stress, not effort. Identify friction points. Look in your drawers, counters, and cabinets. Keep what you use weekly. Be honest with yourself. Reduce duplicate tools. You do not need 5 of anything. Clear work surfaces. Mental clarity equals physical space. What feels hardest in your kitchen? What do you actually use? What gets in your way daily?
Make your kitchen easier, not perfect. And if you found this helpful, you might also find my book helpful. See the link below to find it on Amazon. Declutter without losing your style, and click the like button to help others find this video as well.